telling me to watch Lackadaisy for a minute now, bro. Shout out to you, my boy. Hey, look. I'm getting ready to check it out. Lackadaisy. This is the pilot episode, and you know, I wanted to check it out. Why? Because it looked interesting, one, and two, we're getting ready to put out our own animation, my boys. Oh, you didn't even know. We're getting ready to put out our own animation. What does that mean, man? That means we got a lot of dope stuff in tune. So make sure, if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button. Go down below, hit the like button. Sorry, y'all. Y'all might hear my son come out of nowhere. Iron Circus Animation. St. Louis, Missouri. Hold on. St. Louis? I'm already invested. That's where your boy from, man. The Cardinals, man. You already know. Your boy. Yeah. St. Louis. I'm a music artist from St. Louis. St. Louis, Missouri. Prohibition is in full effect. Okay, animation on point already.
Old Man River. That seems far too austere a name for something made of mirth and rage.
Okay.
Oh, roiling red blood river
got
vein.
Magic.
If chief among your traits is age, you're a wily, convoluted sage. Is old the thing to call what rings the vernal heart of Western lore? It brings us brassy, myth-made kings.
This was before we had the Arch here in St. Louis.
And the ponderance of bug-type things.
Slap that mother.
To challenge titans come before.
Oh, hell no. You going to the east side. Don't go over there.
Give me urge to a try at Avalon once more.
See one of them three-eyed fish.
And
you
what
go
a
on the east side.
vitality in your wide aorta stream. You must have had to oversee alchemic change of timber beam to iron, brick, and engine steam.
I'm sorry, but I don't like that depiction of St. Louis. Look at this. Come on, bruh. Like, I know y'all an animation company, but let me tell y'all something. This is a way too nice a depiction of St. Louis. This looks magical. This looks whimsical. But this is not a good depiction of St. Louis. Think of death. Stinky, green. We need more green. You know what I'm saying? Think of, what's that Pokemon? Muck. You think of anything named Muck, boy, that's what it looks like. That's what it looks like. They don't look magical like this and shit. I go downtown, I don't see, I see, Looking at, that's how I feel. This looks good though, man. Look at all this magic.
Umber whiskey waters lends the prideful, sober sovereignty. A faulty haloed temperance.
That's a casino queen.
And wilt her self-short countenance. Yes, righteousness is vanity. But sports for imps, not elderly. So, if there's a name for migrant mass of veteran frivolity, it snakes through seas of prairie grass and groves of summer sassafras. A name that flows as roguishly as wild waters, fast and free. It's your true name.
I want to kick him in the water. I don't know why. I just got that fucked up mentality that like he's just sitting on the edge. I just want to say, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm sorry. That's bad. Yep.
It's abundantly clear you forgot us down here.
What the hell?
No encore?
No, that's plenty.
We're fine. Should I add a dance? Extra stanzas?
What they doing?
There's more where that came from.
Please don't ruin musical theater for everyone.
I'm not sure lookouts are supposed to make such a ruckus anyway. Why don't you come down here and grab a shovel?
Alas, Miss Pepper,
right.
I was cursed with these spaghetti arms.
Shut up.
So, I do what I can. I provide the
that's what you get. And I know that hurt. He fell face first. Gotcha. Glass. What are they doing? Throwing a dead body in there?
I provide the ambiance.
Gotcha.
Babyface provides the muscle. Look at him digging his way to martyrdom, little goat-getter. Now.
He said, and you provide the puss. No, I'm saying she's a cat. That's what I was saying. That's what I was getting at. You provide the puss. That's the cat. She's a cat. You never.
Oh, how about a little rhapsody in G minor for company?
Fine. If you're not gonna help us work, you're gonna have to
Dang.
double as the dirt rag.
Damn.
Rocky?
Call that nigga a comrade.
Is that it?
Well, if it isn't, we'll have some awkward explaining to do to the family of, Herman Hapfem?
Who's that? Under the recipes. Okay, I didn't quite get it, but I won't stop it to make y'all wait till I slowly read shit.
What was that? Did you hear something?
All these unresting spirits trespassing on their turf.
That owl for the
You
snitch.
can do about it, ye feisty devils.
That owl is a snitch.
What? Blasphemy! That force of nature, she'd stop us dead.
I know.
Oh, Freckle. Don't tell me you aren't having a good time showing
No.
off your shoveling skills for...
Y'all desecrated a grave. What the hell are you talking about? Oh, you having a good time? Like, no, nigga. You can go to jail for shit like this, boy. Jail, cat jail. No catnip. Shove it right up your fur ball, boy. What's wrong with
See
you?
over here?
Scared the shit out of them.
Cora! Oh, for a moment there, I thought it was your mom.
This is why I don't go around of spirits.
Is nobody gonna help him?
Graves, sacrilege, and ass.
Settle down, cousin. The spirits are all bottled up. 100 years past, Burke and Hare were up to much worse. And things turned out just fine for them.
This is not gonna be good.
Details, Freckle, details.
Now show me your crowbar skills.
Oh yeah, she wanna fuck with him. She wanna get that little cat up to him. That meow.
Ah, liquid gold! Dionysian delight! Better still, Canadian whiskey!
Oh, okay. Aha! They did say during the Prohibition, all right? The Prohibition, if I remember, was when women had to go on the streets of St. Louis and show their tits. That's prostitution. No. So what I'm thinking about is the Prohibition was when alcohol was illegal. I think that's what it was. Okay, yeah. I know y'all probably thinking like, no shit, bro. I was, you know what? Just give me a break. You know what I'm saying? Give me a Kit Kat, nigga, because I'm just trying to understand. I gotta remember a lot of things that I ain't remembered in a long time, my boys. You know.
I think we should hurry.
Yes, you should. Hurry up, nigga.
In the jar.
Everybody needs to
Keep the
help.
headlamps off. Can't be too careful.
Right, we've been so discreet up until now.
Right.
No! Don't let that get away! Miss
Fuck
Sam
that.
can't spare a drop! Murderation.
Fuck all that. That's how they getting greedy, bro.
All right,
Fuck
when
all
we need
that.
it, Miss Pepper. Now the spirits are afoot.
I got it.
No,
I got
that
it.
is my foot. That's not what I meant.
Well, I can't see.
Uh-oh.
There it is.
Stop it.
You.
Get off of me.
Oh, my God.
Out.
Oh, no, that ain't. Say something, bro. Why do people do that? Say something. Like, it's like, you got scared. You like, I'm like, bro, I remember like, oh, shit, y'all niggas get up. We got caught. The police, that's the po-po. Woo.
Excuse me.
Damn. Lighten her ass up.
Look like we got some live ones tonight.
Yeah, say, boy, the chase is the best part.
Get your vampire-looking vampire cat, bitch. That's the vampire. Get in. Y'all ain't nobody brought no straps. Y'all in St. Louis. What the fuck is you doing? You need... Okay, you can stop driving backwards.
Let's not prolong this. This is a trifling matter. We have other business to tend to.
Boy, you trifling, boy.
But none of it
Fuck
near
wrong
as fun as this gonna be.
Can't let the competition go unchecked. Even the little vermin, they got a way of festering. Alon!
I could tell she's a
Learn
bad
to
pussy.
drive like that.
I didn't!
That's a bad puss.
Didn't?
Learn to drive!
Well, you're so bad at it, you've
Get
confounded
out
the
the...
enemy. Nicely done.
Get out the driver's seat. My girl only know how to drive backwards, bro. Come on now.
Now we need a performance from you, Torpedo Boy. Ah.
Oh, no.
Yes, yes, yes.
No.
Oh.
Don't be modest. Play us a symphony.
Oh shit! They ain't playing.
Go!
What's going on back there?
Come on, shoot, boy. They shooting at you.
What the?
I guess this one is the big.
Come on, stay with me.
Woo! He came with the blinker, boy. Didn't he? Don't waste it all. Don't waste it. All right, you ain't hit nobody though.
I think I swallowed a bug.
You got a big fat bad bed for dinner? What's that?
Nah, just more glass.
Airball
Profoundly
downstairs.
unprofessional.
Well, they got more firepower than I expected. But you want to take over driving back there?
No. Especially now that you have alleviated us of our windshield.
Oh, you don't like
Alleviated.
how we play? How about you stop spectating and throw in, Chef?
Type
Or
shit.
do we have to worry about you getting sentimental about old times?
Uh-oh. Okay. I just don't like that he's missing all of them. You know? Yeah, nigga. Sprayed all your fucking bullets. I don't like how he's finna do it. Look at this nigga Jerry from Tom and Jerry, but I don't like this because he finna fuck them up, and I can already tell. He too confident walking.
What turn?
Louis, left hook,
No.
sinister, port.
There's no left here.
Just turn.
Imagination, Miss Pepper.
Rocky, I can't steer.
Oh my God, bro. If you don't. Whoo. Because he was finna get you. Come on, there is no left, bro. This is hilarious, y'all. I actually like this. I'm liking this so far, bro. I ain't even gonna fake it. My boy been telling me to watch this shit for hell, and I should have been did this shit. All right, is this loud enough for y'all though? Y'all can't tell me anyway. Shit, never mind. Y'all said yes, I couldn't see it.
Oh, is it playtime now? Do you think we're safe?
Sorry. I didn't mean to. It's just that there's a fire, a burning hot fire in the engine compartment.
Lord, trying to. He said, "Look, I got a hot fire for you." He said, "I got a little burning." That boy getting burnt by her ass, but I don't know about that, my guy, man. Shit, you need to go get that checked out. You need to go to the vet for that, man. Look, you thought. He said, oh, damn, they didn't caught up quick, didn't they? They was a little further back. Man, look, just get you a couple bottles and dip. Leave the rest of it. Because them niggas is professionals. They are definitely professionals. I love the way this is put together. This is animated. Very nice, boy. I like this. Look at this. This that Iron Giant animation. I guess even better, nigga. Ugly.
Oh, the world is full of magic things.
What?
I just need a ticket to ride.
Okay. Explosive.
Well, I'm nearly out of sleeves and ideas.
Okay.
The engine is still too hot. I don't even know if
You said there was a pistol in here somewhere?
There's always one wedged in the seat.
When you need that motherfucker.
I guess-
What? I mean, it'll have to do, but goddamn. I mean, goddamn, like, come on, man. It'll have to do, boy. It'll have to do.
That's a gun?
Shit, barely. But
I'll
if
draw
it
them
saved
away.
your life,
You
then
start the
yeah.
car. Please.
This is going to take longer if you scatter them.
What happened to you that made you hate fun?
Type shit. I could tell they like the old timers.
I'll
What the
take care
fuck was
of
that?
Disable the vehicle.
Raspberries! Aha!
Girl, you better hurry up. They ain't finna play with you. They want y'all dead. Ooh. Pew. I wouldn't even waste my bullets like that far away. I would literally wait till he got up on me. Pause. Y'all, something wrong with y'all. There's something wrong with y'all. The fact I even gotta say pause is something wrong. Ooh! Ooh! You slacking, old timer. It's time to stop. It's time to stop.
Hi.
Woo! That nigga was shot. Hi.
No, 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 no!
Oh, wait, you need to watch what you're doing.
5, 6.
Oh. Oh. Well, this is the beginning of the end for my nigga,
Slow
man.
isn't me.
They know that you. Ooh, that nigga got shot in the head. Hey, there we go. There we go. There we go.
Child, this 11 kinds of stupid.
There's 11 kinds of stupid.
Sudden circus comes to town. The behemoth and the top hat clown. Come gather all around.
Something's
See
up with that
rain
man.
their fire down.
That man is insane, bro. Better move. What the fuck? She looked down. Oh my God, what is that? A creeper. You finna blow up. I don't want none of them to die. Is that weird, bro? Like, I don't want the bad guy. I don't even know if they bad. That man got shot in the, well, he got
What's
grazed.
happening?
Rocky.
You can brandish up your whip and chain, but the circus train's a blazing tear.
I don't know how they're gonna make it out of this, bro.
The clown with daring air. We'll make our 3 rings anywhere.
Uh-oh. Oh shit, you stupid boy! Oh shit, don't let that mug run you over. It literally was finna run him over. I hate water. That boy hate water. He never took a bath. You know he stink. You know what I'm saying? Water. Ugly ass boy. Stinky ass nigga, bro. A cat bath, a bird bath, ugly ass. You stupid as hell. Excuse me, my bad, y'all. If anybody said bless you, thank you.
Rocky!
Come on, Mudbug! We
Harold?
gotta skedaddle.
No. Thank you, man. All right, you got my respect. You got my respect, because he could have killed him. He could have killed her.
Eyebrows
Excuse
still
me.
on?
Yep.
Aces.
Man, that would have been tragic seeing her die. I'm already too attached to these characters. Man, you know, I'm sensitive a little bit, bro. I ain't even gonna fake it. And when it comes to characters and shit, this looks like a cigarette. It's really a receipt. It's a receipt to some shit that I ain't really want to pay. So I keep it with me. But you know, in all, I don't know why, like, certain characters get me like that. You know what I'm saying? Certain characters, like, already, they become likable and lovable. You want to see them win. I don't really know who's the bad guy and who's not. I can't really say. Just because we started off with a great musical number and some poetry does not necessarily mean that he's a good guy. It doesn't. But I'll tell you one thing. One of them is the bad guy. And we're going to figure out who.
Here, Freckle. I got you a souvenir.
Why did I do that? Why did I do that? Put a receipt on my nose. This came from everywhere. What are you doing? Fuck around and catch COVID.
Nico! Brother mine, help me up.
Shit, you look disappointed.
No shit. I mean, he really could have stopped him. I mean, it was really on him. I mean, he really could have stopped him. He would have shot her ass. It would have been a wrap. They would have crashed. They'd have been so distraught. It's beautifully done.
Used to be we could drive a whole convoy of trucks in.
Oh, no. I'm just seeing that it looks like a lot of the fucking shit is leaking out.
Now we're just digging for scraps. Well, however unbecoming, Atlas. That's my cue. Meet you downstairs.
Who is she talking? Oh, she talking to that man. He must have died. Because anybody that talks like
Horatio.
that, the nigga definitely did.
The door, sweetheart.
Oh, right.
Oh, they kind of got like a little speakeasy, you know, down there. There's a casino, but nobody's there. They're in that cave.
How's the weather, madam? Ah, right, the difficult business of business.
Right.
You could certainly be of some help.
Except I'm supposed to be a pillar of the community, baron of industry, upstanding citizen, you know?
He said, bent over his illicit beverage.
Oh, thank goodness, I wasn't sure you were alive.
Zeb,
They talk
shouldn't you
shit.
be up on stage playing?
For who? That guy? How
Nazi.
about you, Wick? Shall I serenade you personally?
Once I've had a few more illicit beverages, perhaps.
I suppose I could use one of those too. Victor?
That nigga like, am I still gonna get paid?
Victor, I know it's an adjustment, but the bartender's got to look like someone the patronage can tell their troubles to.
Oh,
More
man,
of a
I get it.
confidant.
Man, I get it. That's fucked up. He just, you know, he's the bartender, man. He been doing his thing. Big burly dude, strong as shit. You know. Shout out to him. But, you know, it's hard to argue with bad bitches bartending, man. You know, that's a T-Pain made a whole song about it, my boy.
Less of a
Don't feel too
corner.
bad.
Try smiling, honey.
You need to be the bouncers, bro.
We'll work on it.
Make him the bouncer, bro. Make him security.
Hello.
We made it, everyone!
Sorry.
We made it!
About the carpet.
Sorry about the carpet. Y'all they better in better moves.
JJ!
Sorry.
Well, look what the Mississippi spat up.
Miss Sam, you seem, surprised.
Rocky, sweetie, you are nothing if not an exhausting, incomprehensible surprise.
Thank you.
This was supposed to be the real McCoy. Let's see if that's the surprise.
Okay. Everybody gonna get a little taste. Okay, that was nice. That was nice. Okay. Lick it. Damn.
Well, it'll certainly start your engine.
Which
Damn.
is to say, it beats radiator fluid.
What's
Is that bad?
aftertaste? Crisp, full-bodied, reminiscent of oak wood. Coffin varnish.
Yeah. We can call it Sunset Rose Cocktail.
No, boy, it's your Russian ass. You call it death. That's what you can call it. It looked like it tastes horrible.
Sunset Rose Cocktail? That sounds good.
You ain't old enough.
You have no idea what I went through to get this.
Right, she got shot at. She can, what are you doing, boy? You're a freak. That boy said, I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna whip it out.
Very
like, what?
good an idea.
Man, she got shot at.
Sophisticated flavor.
Nah, it's disgusting. Stop playing.
Oh, not bad then?
Better than getting shot. Still, is this all we got for our money, honey? You look like you took a bath in the red.
Well, I could probably wring some more out of my coat for you. There was a minor incident. Incidences?
The likes of what?
Oh, just some spent ammo and...
Desecrated graves.
Fractured signage, minor flooding, lots of structural damage.
Okay, you need to shut up now.
We may have fomented a deadly rivalry on the way, too. But dynamite and heavy machinery are marvelous problem solvers. Hey, old sport!
Dynamite?
Damn!
Dynamite.
And the car is fine.
I fixed it.
Also, you'll be happy to know my violin
It caught on fire.
came through unscathed.
Fuck no. Y'all need a new
You did
job.
your best, honey, but we can't keep running ourselves ragged and into the red to bring home meager.
Y'all need to start making y'all own
What
shit.
I mean is, I don't see how this,
Is this nigga playing again? I knew it. He's an asshole.
You know what? I'm glad you and your violin are back, honey. We could all use some music about now. I mean, besides JJ.
All right. Come on, kid. What do you say we go lighten the mood?
About the dynamite and machinery, can you elaborate?
Mr. Sable?
Right. Cheers.
Come on, you owe me a dance.
I do?
Yes, I've
Yeah,
decided.
they got a
Near
love
the
interest.
Charleston,
No.
The Lindy Hop.
No.
The Roundabout.
The
Jingle
Jigaboo?
Jangle, the Noodle.
He mad?
I'll show you.
What is you so mad about? Is that your bitch? Glass. That's the pain of having a business, you know. You know, everything falls on you. That's what it used to be. She just remembering what it was. It used to be a real swinging joint. I hate to see places like that go into ruin. Wow, hold on. Amazing. So they're wanted, okay. All right. Animators. Shout out to all the animators, you know what I'm saying? Let me see. Seems like we got some more. Shout out to all the animators.
Manager's office.
Connect me to Mr. Sweet, please. Rather unfortunately, we were sidetracked. The vehicle has been disabled, and on the whole, the evening has not gone according to plan.
Let me see if I have this right. Ruthless, infamous hatchet man Mordecai Heller is calling me to ask for a ride.
Yes.
Well, that's why you can't never ask
However,
nobody
Mr.
for
Sweet,
shit.
it seems...
What am I, your
It-
dad?
It seems we have a more considerable problem at hand.
What, someone mussed your hair? You got some dirt on you?
As a matter of fact, yes. But more to the point, one of our suppliers appears to be double-dealing. To stragglers from Lackadaisy, of all things. They're clumsy and likely to draw attention. With the feds in town.
Yeah, that's a real liability.
And I can only stave off so much heat.
Damn,
from the
Mufasa?
higher-ups before this whole city starts smoldering.
The big puss.
Oh, those dragons.
Having given it some thought, it does appear to warrant our attention.
Right then. Time to tie up some loose ends.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh, that don't sound good. You're burning your suit, nigga. Shit. You know he don't give a fuck. He burned his own suit. Shit, boy. Let me just double check, make sure. All right. Thanks for watching, man. Yeah, no, bro. That was great, bro. Lackadaisy, man. Subscribe for sure. Already liked it. Man, look, let me see, bro. That was put 5 months ago. I know it takes a long time to do animation. Is there anything? No. Yep, so no, we don't have nothing new. But boy, I was interested. Look, I low-key wish they had more, man. Y'all, so this is another season that I think that would be great to start on the channel. I'm gonna upload it. I'm gonna see how they feel about it. You know, some people, some animation companies, they don't like that. Hell of a Boss was pretty cool with us uploading. That it can't be monetized though. For, it is what it is. I tried to monetize it, and they didn't approve my monetization, whatever. But it's fine. It's fine. I uploaded that shit for y'all, man. You know, I uploaded that for y'all, and just to kind of catch up. So if your boy don't get paid from it, it is what it is, bro. Like everything doesn't always have to be about money, but hopefully they'll let us upload this, and hopefully y'all like it. Don't even know if y'all will. Just know that my boy said to watch it, and it was fucking well worth it, man. It was well worth it, man. So y'all, just wanted to say, man, my final thoughts on it. Amazing animation, bro. Great storyline. I'm looking forward to the full season. Shout out to y'all, man. I love y'all, man. And if you want to check out what kind of animation that we have coming on the Quizzy On Demand, all you have to do is stay tuned, my boy. The best way you could do that is by hitting that like button. The best way you could do that is by going down below, hitting the subscribe button, man. Supporting your boy, man, because I'm back. Every single day, man, we dropping some videos, man, somewhere. If it ain't on the main page, it's on the side page. I love y'all, man. I'll see y'all in the next video.